Uh-oh. I got you. Can I have you? There we go. There you go, Trisket. Where's your sister? Oh, my goodness. You're a good headlander. Yes, you are. Here, stay there. You can fly in a minute. Now you can fly. Come here. Come see your mama. Oh, there she goes. I knew it. Trisket. What are we going to do now? Huh? Come here. Come here, Trisket. Alright, I'll be right back. Daisy. Daisy is a little bit older. Stop that. It's disgusting. You're not a mama yet. Did you eat it? Daisy, for some reason, is a little bit older than Trisket, and she tries to regurgitate for Trisket. Daisy, don't do that. Trisket is not hungry, but Daisy just loves her so much. Aw, Daisy, you're gonna miss her when she goes home, aren't you? That's alright. I'm gonna get you a boyfriend. You can feed him. Daisy, stop that. But Daisy, actually, you have to let the boy feed you. Come on now. It's not your job. You feed the babe. Oh my God, she actually is regurgitating something. Trisket. I wanted to see if Trisket's not begging for it, but, well, now she looks like she's kind of begging. Did you see her? Mm-hmm. Anyway, come here, Trisket. Let's do some flying. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come see your mama. Clean your beak up. That's a mess. Come here. Who's going to come see Mama? Or who's going to go see Daddy? You know what? Every time I have the camera on to record them flying, they don't fly.
Come on. Come on. Daddy, come on. Come see Daddy. Come on. Come on, Trisket. You can go. Come on. Yeah. Trisket. Daisy. Daisy, come.
And there they go.
There they go.
Where'd she go? Oh. Come here, Trisket. You're going to hurt yourself over there. Can we get her off before she... I don't think they're interested. That's Trisket on the bottom there. Daisy up at the top. See if they'll do some flying today. Hey, Trisket. Oh, what a good girl. That was a perfect landing. Here. Oh, you're on my shoulder. Yes, you are. Hey, Daisy. What you doing there? Where's your sister? Oh, I know you love your sister. Here. There you go, Trisket. Come here, Trisket. Good girl. Good shot. Good girl. Here, come on. Show us again, Trisket. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Trisket. Come on, Trisket. Go see your daddy. He's calling you.
Trisket. Come on.
She's thinking about it. Come on, Trisket.
Come on, Trisket.
Oh, right on my glasses. That is not a landing spot, girly. I don't like that. Scratching my glasses up. Oh, there goes Daisy. Come on, Trisket. Oh, that's pretty good. You just wanted to be with your sister over here, huh? Yeah. Now what you gonna do? Huh? Hey, Daisy. Pretty girl. Oh my goodness. The camera is not a landing spot, silly. Come here, Trisket. You got it?
Daisy. Come here, Daisy girl.
What you gonna do, Trisket? Show us how you can fly, Trisket. Come on. Come here. Trisket. Come here. Come here, Trisket. Come on. Come on, silly girl. Come on. You can do it. Come on. She's gonna follow Daisy.
Daisy.
Where's Daisy? No, oh, there they go. Trisket's on the right. Daisy's off.
Uh-oh.
Go get her. Oh, she is not supposed to be up there. Daisy. Come here. You can't. Come on. Don't land there. Only land over here. Oh, there goes Trisket.
Trisket's going.
You're not supposed to land there either. Trisket. Oh. You're not supposed to land there either. See? Here. That's a perfect landing spot. Huh?
Come here, Daisy.
Daisy just goes wherever. There goes. Uh-oh. No, she's on. Wait, where's Daisy? Oh. Daisy, I lost you. Where's Trisket? Where's Trisket? Here comes Trisket. Daddy's bringing her.
Somebody wants to fly.
Look how they love each other. Somebody's gonna miss each other. These two are gonna miss each other when Trisket goes home. Aren't you, Trisket? You're gonna miss your big sister. Huh? Aw. So cute. Come here. Come here, Trisket. Come on, Trisket. I think you're finished flying, huh? Oh, bless you. Oh, Trisket. Trisket, come here. Come here. Oh, don't you throw a temper tantrum. Huh? I'm glad you did that. I wanted your mommy to see that. Huh? I got you. I got you, Daisy. I got your beak. Here, Trisket. Show us another temper tantrum, Trisket. Huh? Trisket. Trisket. Come here. Here, turn around like this. No, like that. There we go. Where's your sister? Come here, Daisy. Come on, step up. There we go. Sit over here next to your sister, Trisket. Trisket, stay there. There. Can I scratch you? Huh? I got you. I got you. Uh-oh, where'd Daisy go? Daisy, you're not supposed to be over there, are you? Come here. I got you. I got you. There. What's the matter with you? Trisket. Daisy.